This video is part of a series that provides an overview of airport operations in the Phoenix area. Let's look at how aircraft operate at Chandler Municipal Airport. Chandler Airport was established by the city in 1928. In its early days, the airport was a crop dusting base for the surrounding farms and was a community gathering space, hosting rodeos and other events. As activity increased, the airport paved its runway in 1970 and ultimately built a second runway, a terminal, and an air traffic control tower. Today, Chandler Municipal is a medium-sized, primarily general and corporate aviation airport located approximately 14 miles southeast of the larger and busier Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport. Businesses and airport activity support approximately 500 jobs and nearly $150 million in economic impact. The area around the airport includes a 9-mile square air park that supports additional jobs and serves as a compatible land use. The airport has 2 parallel runways that are oriented east to west, 4 left, 2 right, and 4 right, 2 left. It is safest for aircraft to land and depart into the wind. In this area, winds are most often from the west. Therefore, aircraft most often take off and land to the west on runway 2 right and 2 left. The airport has a diverse mix of aircraft, primarily including business jets and small propeller aircraft and helicopters. The job of air traffic control tower is to keep these aircraft safely separated. Different-sized aircraft have varying speeds and operating abilities, which the tower must consider when sequencing aircraft to land and depart. Aircraft land and depart utilizing instruments or visual references. Aircraft using Instrument Flight Rules, or IFR, navigate using onboard avionics, and this typically includes commercial aircraft, business jets, military, and some small propeller aircraft. Aircraft file a flight plan with their route and communicate with ATC along the route. At Chandler, runway 2 left or 2 right instrument departures generally fly straight until reaching a safe altitude, then turn to join a published departure procedure. Instrument arrivals on runway 2 right proceed straight in. Instrument departures on runway 4 left turn left to climb towards the southwest to avoid aircraft arriving and departing at Falcon Field, Mesa, and Sky Harbor. Instrument arrivals on runway 4 left also proceed straight in. Small propeller aircraft typically fly using Visual Flight Rules, or VFR. These aircraft use onboard avionics and ground-based landmarks to navigate, as well as communicate with ATC in the airspace managed by the Chandler Air Traffic Control Tower. Many of these training aircraft fly to a practice area, then back to Chandler to practice takeoff and landings, called touch and goes. The airport shares practical industry-standard noise abatement guidance for pilots to follow. These include avoiding noise-sensitive areas and flying at least 2,000 feet over populated areas. Practice maneuvers should be over non-populated areas and fly a traffic pattern close to the airport, among others. These are general recommendations. A pilot and air traffic controller's first priority is the safe operation of aircraft on the ground and in the air. This is one video in a series that discusses aircraft operations in the Phoenix region. To see more, please visit the FAA's YouTube channel.